Hello children, today I am going to take Geography chapter 4 Agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from Latin word ager. That means soil, agar or agri. Culture. Meaning of culture is cultivation. Meaning of culture is cultivation. So the transformation from a plant to a finished product that involves various activities. Those activities are called economic activities. Economic activities are involves into three types. Let us see one by one. Primary, secondary, third one, tertiary. Primary activities that includes agriculture related activities connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. Agriculture, fishing, mining and dairy, these are all included in the primary. Okay. So secondary activities are related to process. So processing of these primary, okay, these resources, that is secondary resources, and manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, weaving of cloth, these are all included in the secondary activities. And tertiary. So tertiary is not producing any product in tertiary activities. It is supporting a primary and a secondary. For example, transport, communication, advertising, these are all comes under the tertiary. This is agriculture, manufacturing, so these are the different types of economic activities. The next, agriculture is a primary activities. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and the rearing of livestock. In the world, 50% of people engaged in agriculture activities. 2/3 of population, India's population is also dependent on agriculture. Based on the topography of soil and climate, agriculture cultivation is also varying. Let us see the various forms of agriculture cultivation. Agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture. The science and art of cultivation, the cultivation on the soil is agriculture. Sericulture is a commercial rearing of silkworm. Pisciculture, breeding of fish. Viticulture, cultivation of grapes. Horticulture, that is growing vegetables, fruits and flowers are for the commercial uses. These are the different types of cultivations. Next we are going to see farm system. Farm system, agriculture or farming can be used in various process, that is input, processing, output, that is farm system. Processing, output. Inputs. What are the inputs used for doing agriculture or farming? Inputs are seed, labor, machineries. Machineries like tractors, equipments are inputs. Processing, that is human process, that is sowing seeds, weeding, these are all processing. Output, crops. So this is a farm system. Input, processing, output. These are all important processing in the farm system, that is agriculture or farming. Types of farming. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world. So depending upon the geographical condition, climate and demand for product, labors and levels of technology, farming can be classified into two types: subsistence farming, commercial farming. Subsistence farming. So this type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of farmers' need. So traditionally the low levels of technology and they are not using technology like tractors, that equipments and all. So low level of technology and household labors are using in this type of farming, that is subsistence farming. Next one is in this subsistence farming is divided into intensive and primitive. Intensive subsistence farming. The farmer cultivates in a small plot of land using simple tools and labor. And climate is favorable in this one. Fertile soil, climate, these are all favorable in that. Based upon that fertile soil and climate, they are growing crops. Okay, that is especially wheat, maize, rice is the favorable crops in this intensive subsistence agriculture. Okay, and it is prevalent in the thickly populated areas like monsoon region of South and Southeast and East Asia. The next one is primitive subsistence agriculture. This primitive subsistence agriculture is of two types, that is shifting and nomadic. Shifting and nomadic. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is practiced in thickly forested areas, especially in Andaman, tropical Africa, and some part of Southeast Asia, and even in the Northeast India also. Okay, here plot of land is used for the cultivation. Once they feel it is a less fertile, they cut the trees and burn that area, and makes that less fertile area is a fertile area. Okay, then they'll leave it for 2 or 3 years and shift it to some other places. That is called as a shifting cultivation. And different types of crops are also used in the shifting cultivation. Yam, maize, potato. These are the crops cultivated in the shifting cultivation. And next one is it is also known as slash and burn. Slash and burn. Next one is nomadic. Nomadic herding. It is also practiced in the semi-arid region. Nomadic. And also in Central Asia, Sahara, and some part of shifting. Shifting cultivation is practiced in thickly populated, thickly forest area like Amazon Basin, tropical Africa, and Southeast Asia, and also in the central Northeast India. So these are the areas of heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetation. A small plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes then mixed with the soil, and crops like maize, yam, potato, these are cultivated in shifting. This is also known as slash and burn agriculture. The next one is nomadic. Nomadic is practiced in the semi-arid region like Sahara, Central Asia, and some part of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so in this type of farming, herders are moving from one place to another place with their animals for fodder and water. And especially camel, yak, sheep, goats are also commonly reared in nomadic. These are the two types under primitive subsistence agriculture. Commercial farming. Commercial farming, doing of agriculture and rearing of animals for sale in the market. This commercial farming requires huge capital and labor. This is also divided into three types. Let us see one by one. Commercial grain cropping. Commercial grain farming. Mixed crop. Third one, plantation. Commercial grain farming. So this is for commercial purposes. Wheat and maize are common commercial grains in this commercial grain farming, and it is practiced in North America, Europe, and some temperate grassland area. Next one is a mixed crop. It is used for the land is used for both food and fodder crops, and also rearing livestock. It is practiced in Europe and USA. The next one is a plantation. Single crop is cultivated under plantation for